comes up and down. Right?
Good to see you again, my friend.
Good to see you there.
You've been hearing us talk a little bit about Basketweave in this show.
Yes.
And wait a minute, Kathy is going from one floor to the next. She forgot her chicken and she's back out. That was fantastic. We love her. But Temp-tations. So I know that I'm now referring to March 13th as Basketweave Day. Just throwing that out there. Also, this is K46903, and this is the Basketweave 3-quart oval pack and go baker.
Yeah.
Cute.
Don't you love it? And it's part of our Make It, Bake It, Take It collection.
Love that.
That gives you the versatility to be able to make something in your home, take it on the go with this great tote bag, but you can use them together, you can use them separately, but the most beautiful stoneware comes included with this, right? 3-quart oval, huge customer requests. We don't do a lot of these. I'm showing you Basketweave Shamrock. Mary, I know. When you look closely, you'll see why we named it Basketweave, because it's that beautiful sculptured, textured basket design that sits underneath this gorgeous floral lace pattern. So labor intensive because the basket weave is literally layered on top. Then we layer the beautiful shamrock or the floral lace pattern right there. You can see the texture and the dimension. This is what we call tea staining, and that's what gives you that basket weave color. Look at all the detail with that beautiful roping detail, and then marry the inside. Whether you pick old world or floral lace, that great saturation of color. Sits in its own wrought iron basket. Comes with a plastic snap-on storage cover. I am not done. Look.
I love it. Oh,
Mary.
You're so fun.
Then it also has this great utensil that we love so that you are the hostess with the mostest, and then comes with this great tote. Beautiful screen printing on the outside that will match back to your pattern. Inside, silver therm lining with a pocket, seat belts in the bottom right there.
So cool.
So when I'm on the go, look at this, or I want to store it and tuck it away, this is all that I need to do.
So easy to do. I would keep that in all kinds of places. All right, 3 easy payments of $13.33. Make it, bake it, take it.
Yeah.
And it comes in colors.
Yeah, look at that.
The shamrock, I cannot believe is still here.
And just a heads up, shamrock is only here at this time of the year. So once this is gone, the next time you'll see it is in 2020.
Oh, wow.
Oh.
That sounds crazy, doesn't it?
Sounds
2020,
far away,
yes.
doesn't it? Then in the floral lace, we have the floral lace blue. And if you are a collector of floral lace blue, I'm just going to pop in here one of our traditional floral lace dishes so you can see it's the perfect complement.
Aha!
Underneath that is the green.
Okay.
Here's the eggplant. How about that beautiful pop of red for Valentine's Day?
Really pretty.
Pretty, right?
I like that. Or Galentine's Day.
Or Galentine's Day, like that too. Here's the cranberry, marry the deeper red tone. And then that light blue that is so pretty and floral
I just wanted
lace.
to show the tote up there with the red.
Thank
Isn't that
you.
pretty? Okay, sorry. I just wanted you to see.
Love that. And then we have the classic black. Here's the spice. And in floral lace, we call this chocolate.
Now, the chocolate is most limited in the floral lace, so we have 4 dozen remaining. I'm just showing you the black in the tote bag, too, because I just wanted you to see some of the options.
And if you're giving it as a gift, the tote bag is now your gift bag, which is what I love.
Good that.
Now, if you collect the Old World, we have lots of colors there, too. And again, I'm just going to pop our traditional Old World dish in here so you see how it matches back perfectly. Here's the green. Then here's the blue. Here's the red, the cranberry. Then next door to that, boy, that confetti is so pretty, how all those different colors just pop off.
I think with the tea staining on the basket weave, the confetti just pops.
It's so pretty.
Yeah.
You can't go wrong with that eggplant. And as we get closer to spring, and Phil says we're getting closer to spring, right?
He didn't see his shadow.
Yeah.
He did not see his shadow, but he did see a lot of snacks in his future tomorrow for the big game. Yes, he did. He did.
We have the black. Here's Mary's color. There's the spice. And then we have the brown.
I'm covered, by the way. I know this is a weird aside. I'm covered in chicken and caramel, which is a weird combo.
Wow.
But I'm rolling with it. And it's not the first time. It's not the first time. So this is make it, bake it, take it.
Yes.
Because you get the tote. You get that beautiful baker, which of course is a 3-quart oval size. You get the wire rack, but you get the serving spoon too. This is such a great gift to give to the hostess. But this is, quite frankly, when it comes to the world of bakers, this is something that's so versatile because of that oval shape. So whether you are making, what is happening in there?
Shepherd's pie. Right?
Yes. Talking my language.
Exactly. Come on. Anything that's topped with potatoes. Hello.
Shepherd's pie is my love language.
Is it?
It is my love language.
I didn't know that.
I speak fluent shepherd's pie. This one is a very friendly one. It is.
Let's talk.
Sorry. That's not fair.
Here's what I love about it, the functionality, that it goes in the oven up to 500 degrees. Do you see the bubbling all the way around the side? That's because stoneware has even heating all the way around. Yeah, go ahead, do it.
I'll
Just
show.
do it. Mess it
Look at
all
that
up.
nonstick. I know. I can't help myself. But look at that nonstick. Isn't that amazing?
Exactly. And then, Mary, here's what I love. Right out of the oven, doesn't matter, up to 500 degrees. Pop it in your tote, put on the plastic storage cover, and look, I can take it over to grandmother's house we go.
What if I got the shamrock pie plate
And it matches back?
to the shamrock? Oh, I love it.
Here's
okay.
here's what I love, Mary, right?
Yes.
I'm really busy, and I love what you said today. I cook at home like a real cook, not like a chef, right?
Same.
So this is kind of what I'm doing at home.
Atta girl.
But notice that I'm not pulling out a bowl, a metal bowl, a glass bowl. Well, thank you.
Can I help?
Yeah, we have some great coordinating accessories that go with the Basketweave.
Oh.
But look at this. If you pour that one, I'll pour this one.
These little, the 4-piece scoop and measure set, that item number is actually K47934. There's no reorder there. It's on 4 easy payments for $3.99.
Love those.
Just to let you know who those are.
This is what is amazing to me. The fact that I can go right up against the sides with my KitchenAid mixer right there, and it's metal utensil safe. So I'm saving so many steps because I'm prepping in here, I'm cooking, I'm serving, I'm storing with the plastic snap-on storage cover. Oh, and by the way, I now have a to-go tote in case I want to take this with me on the go.
What if I spill a little something in my tote? Is it wipe clean?
Yeah, I usually just get like a Campanelli cloth, just wipe it off. Oh, did you not know? I have an addiction to Campanelli cloth.
Please don't get me started.
microfibers?
We don't have that kind of time. Oh, but later we do.
Yeah, exactly.
But no, I love Campanelli microfiber.
Me too.
Oh.
And this is the performance that you're going to get.
Whoa.
You talked about bakers, right?
Yes. Pops
Pops right out. My mom used to make this when I was growing up. Were you a pineapple
upside down cake? At least 45% of my body is made from pineapple upside down cake.
And chicken and caramel now.
Well, that's just a little bit in my hair. But what I like about this too, big games tomorrow, oval shape, you could make a big football cake.
Oh, you mean like the one that's down there?
Stop it.
Look.
Really?
Yes.
Look at that. What?
QVC, not floral lace, but football leg. Or
That's
floral lace.
the cutest thing. Okay, sorry. So we will quickly go through the colors.
You
Remember,
go for it.
You go through the you get the 3-quart, you get the snap-on lid, you get the serving, you get the bag, and the wire basket.
Yeah.
This is the floral lace in the blue, green, eggplant, red, cranberry, light blue. Floral lace still, black, spice, and chocolate. Chocolate's most limited, 4 dozen, and we have the beautiful sham rock. And then, in the old world, we have the green, we have the blue, the red, the cranberry. We have the confetti, which is stunning, and then we have the eggplant as well. The black, the spice, and the brown.
Woo!
Spice is most limited in the old world, and we have 3 easy payments of $13.33. Bake it, make it, take it, and shake it.
Shake it.
This